Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact school name and location. Small variations break searches. Once done, note the district and school type because many codes are district assigned. Open a browser and use an official portal or district website first. This yields authoritative codes. You'll search with exact spelling, and if available, use the NSAS ID, state school ID, or district number to narrow results. Make sure to copy identifiers precisely. Later steps depend on matching formats and zero padding or hyphens. Next, go to the State Education Database or the NSAS National Database and enter the verified name and city. You're looking for the official school ID fields. Once a result appears, compare district affiliation and address to confirm it's the same campus. If multiple matches show up, use enrollment or grades serve to distinguish them. Make sure to copy the code format shown. Leading zeros, hyphens, or prefixes matter for forms and data systems. Finally, confirm the code on the school's official page or a district PDF. Cross-check against a recent report card or directory for consistency. If the code differs or you find none, call the district data office or school registrar and request the exact ID. They'll explain format and recent changes. Make sure to save a screenshot and note the date. That helps if systems use updated codes. Troubleshooting tip: if searches fail, try alternate spellings and broadening to district-level results first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.